to show you 5 magical fonts that will make your design look professional this 2023. And not only that, I'm going to show you how you can download this app and install it in your Pixel app. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to your channel, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button. Also hit on the notification bell so that you will get notified each time I drop a new video. And also like you to give a thumb up to this video. It will be nice if you can share this video too so that others can benefit. So right away, without wasting so much time, let's ride on. Firstly, we'll be looking at the Acura expanded font. This is how it looks like. It is a strong modern sans serif font. It brings modernity and strong impression on your design. With its bold style, it is best suited for headlines. And secondly, here we have the Montserrat font. It is a sans serif typeface designed by Argentina designer Julieta Lunanovsky in 2010. It is a popular font having a wide range of weight from thin to black. The font has a tall X height which makes it legible even at small sizes, and the letters have rounded edges giving it a friendly and approachable feel. Next we have the Against Regular font. It features a thin and even stroke weight, making it a highly legible and suitable for use in wide range of designs application. It has a modern and minimalist feel which, with cleanliness and a distinctive style that sets it apart from other sans serif fonts. Finally, we have the Price Down font. That's how it looks like. And lastly, we have the Stretch Pro fonts. So these are the 5 magical fonts that can make your design look professional. Now I'm going to show you how you can download these fonts and install them in your Pixel app. So right away we'll go to google.com, expanded fonts download. Now the website is late yet where you can download, but the most common website is the daphone.com website, so I'll click it. Okay, so I have something like this. So what do? We just look for the download app. This is the download. Now I had already downloaded this, so no need for me to download again. So you can just go ahead and download. So I had already downloaded this. The file is in my file manager folder. So what I will do now, okay, I'll come the Achiever folder. Okay, now from here now I will head on to fonts. I'll click my fonts. I click this first folder. There are 2 folders here, so I'll click the first one. You take me to my Z Achiever. If you don't have this Z Achiever app, you can download from Play Store. So it has been added. It has been added here. This is the font here. This is the Acura expanded font. So you can do same for the other ones. You can do same for Montserrat font, Against Regular font, Stretch Pro font, and Price Down. You can do same for that one, for those ones. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd like you to hit on that subscribe button, like this video, and also endeavor to share so that others can get this information that you have received now. Also turn on that notification bell so each time I drop a new video you get notified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.